Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal na sinduna haukiba nimita World Diabetes Day 2025 ki palan thoram pangthokre thoram aduda Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma Director RIMS na ribbon kaktuna thoram adu haudoki loinana chaurakna patient chamaga yankhai taruk mukna free healthcare servicing adu Panghanduna diabetes screening KFT, LFT, lipid profile na chingba testing su tauki na kalamarom RIMS Imphal na chahi ani thangnana Nanhi Muskan Project 2025 ki first prize lo bangam kre
diabetes makhan ji ani ne hoigi diabetes type 1 type 2 lai re type 2 sina 90% type 2 si hoigi lifestyle related hoigi weight hengalakpa adagi hoigi sedentary lifestyle adagi movement tawdaba adagi fast food hengalakpa healthy food chadaba tu makhan mayam lai aduga another issue amana hoigi life expectancy hengalakpa haitare hoigi hana 65 70 hingam bali hoigi 80 90 chahi si loi yonare aduna factors yam yame aduna diabetes has become a burden not only to the medical but akoigi society da economically the side effect ma burden si am hingale aduna akoina mayam da pigeon ingiba appeal si early detection adagi lifestyle change tawraga akoigi diabetes si control tawba yai aduga naragadi adui complications sing tawdanaba akoigi makha treatment fajana tawbiba sugar control fajana tawba adagi insulin kapa natraga insulin ka manabai dak chaba so that akogi diabetes yam long term da heart ta solai brain da solai adagi kidney da solai adagi akogi diabetic foot gangrene adi makhan neuropathy me yam lai ado khoina fajana control tawragadi adagi complications sing se avoid taw yai haibasi